What up guys, it's Abel here at Music Villa. We're here in Bozeman, Montana with our new favorite guitars, Heritage. I'm gonna unpackage one of them. It's my pick because it's my favorite. It's the Heritage H-535 from their standard line. It's the larger body, semi-hollow guitar. So let's open it up and see how it goes. We made it here into the high-end room at Music Villa. Again, playing this H-535 Heritage, surrounded by some other beautiful Heritages here. This guy's cool. The 535 is the semi-hollow, so you got the open chambers on either side. I've got here next to me, it's the 530, same guy but fully hollow, arch top, thin line guitar. This thing is sweet. Plugging it in here to an Allen and a 65 Fender cab makes it sound even sweeter. But what we got going on here are some 59 Seymour Duncan humbuckers. Super good vintage, output humbuckers. Then you get the curly maple top, maple back and sides, the mahogany neck. This thing just feels awesome, not too chunky of a neck, and it plays great. For the 530, you got Lawler P90s in there. P90s are just those hot, high output rock and roll machine. Yeah, so your bridge, you get kind of that spanky output. Then you get kind of that warmer feel in here with that neck. So anything really in between. We've got a few of the 530s in. The 150s are the Les Paul type that we've got, kind of showing up behind me here in the Artisan Aged. We do have the Eagle, their big jazz box thing. We're gonna need another player to play some jazz because I can't do that. And then we've got a couple of the Cherries, the Vintage Natural. Again, we're here in Bozeman, Montana. Give us a call. They are on our website as well. Come check them out.